In this lecture, we will talk about binomial distribution with this example. This example says that according to an article, 49% of adults have experienced a breakup at least once during the last 10 years. Of 9 randomly selected adults, find the probability that the number x who have experienced a breakup at least once during the last 10 years. Here x choose values exactly 5, at most 5, at least 5. Case A. Case B is that x choose values at least 1, at most 1. There are 2 cases. C is that x is in between 4 and 6. Inclusive means 4 and 6 are included. So in case C means x choose values 4, 5, 6. 3 values. The last one, D, is to determine the probability distribution of the random variable x. That means for each value, for example, x equals 5, we want to find out the corresponding probabilities. And we know x here can choose 9, can choose 8, can choose 7 until 0. Because, in total, we randomly selected 9 adults. Okay? So, then of course, out of these 9 adults, could be exactly 5 adults have experienced a breakup at least once during the last 10 years. Okay? Now, here we let B stand for breakup at least once during the last 10 years. Then, based on the given condition, randomly select adult. The probability for this adult has experienced a breakup is 0.49. Then, of course, the probability for this adult not experienced breakup is 1 minus 0.49, which is 0.51. Here not B means no breakup in the last 10 years, at least once. Okay? Yeah. Now, let's look at A. Exactly 5. A, the first one is x equals 5, means out of 9 adults, exactly 5 people have experienced breakup. Okay, now we have 9 adults here, and then exactly 5 could be what? Could be first one, third one, sixth one, seventh one, ninth one. That's one case. And it could be what? Could be second one, third one, fifth one, seventh one, eighth one. So another case could be this 5 people. Okay, again, for each person, for each adult, the probability for the first adult to experience the breakup is what? Is 0.49, 0.49, 0.49, 0.49, 0.49. Okay, so you times all the probability together for these 5 adult, that's 0.49 to the 5th. And you know the other 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 people, adult, have not experienced breakup. You know, the probability for no breakup is 0.51. Okay, but there are 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have a 0.51 to the 4th. This is only case 1, like this. But you know, case 2 is what? Could be the second one, 3rd adult, 5th adult, 7th adult, 8th adult. They have experienced a breakup at least once in the last 10 years. So how many cases right here? I only listed 2 cases. Eventually is how many? Is you randomly, you have 9 people right here, and you choose 5, is 126. So there are basically 126 9s combinations. Okay, so you want to do is 126 times the same value here. Okay, how to do 9 choose 5? You see, calculator is right here. You do is second math. Let me clear that. It's just math. No second. You do PRB. Okay, again, quit. At this state, you want to do math, and then highlight PRB, and then number 3. Okay, that's choose. So the actual step is what? 9, math, highlight PRB, number 3, and then 5, hit enter, you have 126. Okay, then you have a 0.2408, which is the probability for x equals 5. So for exactly 5 people out of 9 people who have experienced a breakup at least once during the last 10 years is 0.2408. Okay, so close to 25%. All right, and then you know you can put the values right here. X is 5. The corresponding probability is 0.2408. Okay. Similarly, then you can do is x choose 6. You can follow the same step. And here, what I did for 7, you see, is what? 0.49 to the 7th, okay, times 0.51 squared, because 4 and 5 together is 9, and then 7 and 2 together is 9. And then here is 26. How did we get that? You see, that's 9 choose 7. Here was what? Here was 9 choose 5, then you have 126. Okay. Now you see I have put the detail steps right here. Okay, for 9 choose 7. Again, you want to practice more is 9 math, highlight PRB, and then number 3. I should put number 3 here. Yeah, oh, I have a NCR. Anyway, that's number 3. And then you input 7, you hit enter, you have a 36. So 7, enter, you have a 36 for that. Okay, then you use what? 36 times 0.49 to the 7th times 0.51 to the 2nd, all squared. If you hit enter, you then have this value, 0.0635. Okay, so you can use this way to find out all the values. Alright, so basically if here is 7, here is 7, see, and then remember here 2 is because of what? It's because if you add together is 9. Okay, 9 is the total number. Right down here. 9 is the total. Alright? So basically what we have done here is we are done with 9 actually here. Okay? Determine the probability distribution of the random variable x. So we did is A exactly 5, and then we find out the answer for D. Okay, and the rest of them might be easy then. There's at most 5. At most 5, that would be this case is what? At most 5 is less than or equal to 5. That's x equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You add all the numbers together. Okay? So you see x equals 1. X equals 1. Starting from 0. 0.0023. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's at most 1. So you add all the values together, you have a 0.7654. Alright, that's at most 1. Now, then how about at least 5? That's at most 5. At least 5. At least 5. So there's what? Greater than or equal to 5. Then you want to do is add all the cases from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all together. Right down here, you want to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers together. You should have a 0.4754. Okay. Yeah. Now we are done with A. Okay. And then, there is a easy way to do that by using TI-83 calculator. Okay. I will split this lecture and explain to you in the following clip.